Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. While it may seem intimidating, investing doesn't have to be complicated or reserved for financial experts. In fact, anyone can learn to invest like a pro by following a few simple steps. In this video, we will explore 3 easy steps that can set you on the path to successful investing and financial prosperity. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your investment strategy, these steps will provide you with a solid foundation to make informed decisions and maximize your returns. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step to investing like a pro is establishing clear financial goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve through your investments. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? Defining your goals will help you determine the time frame and risk tolerance for your investments. It's crucial to set realistic and measurable goals that align with your financial aspirations. Step 2. Educate yourself about investment options. To invest like a pro, you need to have a good understanding of the different investment options available to you. Take the time to educate yourself about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Learn about the potential risks and rewards, historical performance, and how they align with your goals. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential returns. Research reputable sources, attend seminars, or consult with financial advisors to gain insights into the investment landscape. Step 3. Develop a consistent investment strategy. Consistency is key in investing. Develop a well-defined investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Determine how much you can afford to invest regularly and stick to it. Whether it's setting aside a fixed percentage of your income or investing a specific amount each month, consistency will help you build wealth over time. Additionally, consider the power of compounding by reinvesting dividends or interest earned. Investing like a pro doesn't have to be overwhelming or reserved for experts. By following these 3 easy steps, setting clear financial goals, educating yourself about investment options, and developing a consistent investment strategy, you can embark on your journey toward financial success. Remember, investing requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as needed. With dedication and a long-term perspective, you can make informed decisions and grow your wealth over time. Start today and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching.